Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to explore how to delete an item from a dictionary. It's just like tearing a page apart from a dictionary that you no longer need. How to do so? Very easy. How do you access an element? You access it like this. Just add a delete button, delete word before it, and hooray, you have deleted that element. Okay, I have deleted A beforehand, so let's now practice the B element. The B element, if we check it, will no longer be existing in this dictionary. How do we print all the elements? Do you remember? Yes, with the items method. It will print all of the key value pairs inside the dictionary, and B with its associated value is no longer existent. Here is another method you can use. It is similar to how we remove the items in lists, and that is, I know you would have figured it out till now, the pop method. Just like we mentioned the list, we mention here the dictionary name, and then we use the pop method, and then in list we used to specify the index value. Here we will specify the key value, the key. Okay, and the great part of pop is that it will return that value. It won't just delete it. Delete will just delete it. Now you can access it, you can save it for further use. But in pop, you can save it in some save variable, and that arbitrary name I have selected, and hooray, even though C will be popped out, but it will be saved in save variable for further use. Now what if I don't know whether C exists or not, and if I am removing something that is not existent, like we did in here, we tried to delete A element which was not there, and it returned us error. So for example, a grade process is being held, and out of the nowhere this minor error comes, the whole program will crash. So from saving your program from crashing from this nitty gritty errors, you specify that the values that pop method should return. If it doesn't, it finds the value inexistent. So as a second argument, you can say, if it's not found, just give me the string called not found and save it into C variable. Don't crash my program, and it will do just as you say. This feature is also available when you are popping elements from this. So pop elements serves just very similarly in lists and in dictionary, both of them. Thank you very much. In this video, we learned about how to remove elements from dictionary using delete or pop method.